Welcome back to Young Money Masters. I'm Rye, and I'm excited to take you on another adventure into the world of finances and money management. In today's episode, Mastering Your Paycheck, Understanding Taxes and Financial Responsibility, I dive into the fascinating realm of income taxes and the importance of financial responsibility. Now that I'm 13, I've landed an awesome summer job at my uncle's trucking company. From social media marketing to answering phones and scheduling clients, I'm getting a taste of the working world firsthand. And you know what? It's not just about the tasks I perform, but also about what happens when I receive my paycheck. Parker and Elijah are just as curious as I am about income, taxes, and how to make the most of our hard-earned money. So together, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the secrets behind our paychecks and unravel the mysteries of taxes. We'll even uncovering a fantastic tax-saving opportunity for parents. So buckle up because we're about to demystify the world of taxes and financial responsibility, one paycheck at a time. Get ready to become true young money masters.
Ray's home. Elijah. She's back. I'm so excited. I can't wait to hear about her summer job at my daddy's trucking company. Rye, how was your first day of work? What do you do?
Relax, Parker. Let me get settled in.
A few moments later.
Doing various tasks like social media marketing, answering phones, and scheduling clients. It's been really interesting.
That sounds cool. But Rye, what exactly is income? I've heard the term, but I'm not sure what it means.
Great question, Elijah. Income is the money you earn from working or other sources. It's like your paycheck or allowances or even money you make from selling things.
So, income is the money we receive. But what's the difference between income and take-home pay?
Excellent point, Parker. Take-home pay is the amount of money you actually receive after certain deductions, like taxes. The amount you earn might be more, but the take-home pay is what you have left after those deductions.
Oh, I get it now. So taxes are deductions, right?
That's correct, Elijah. Taxes are a portion of your income that goes to the government. They help fund public services and programs like schools, roads, and healthcare.
But who collects these taxes?
The government agency responsible for collecting taxes is called the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS for short. They make sure everyone pays their fair share of income taxes. It's a specific type of tax that's calculated based on how much you earn. The more you make, the more income tax you pay. It's important to file your tax returns accurately and on time to avoid any penalties.
So, Rye, how do we calculate our income after taxes?
Well, Parker, that's where net and gross monthly income come in. Gross income is the total amount you earn before any deductions, and net income is what you have left after those deductions, like taxes.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Let's break it down with a realistic example. I earn $16 per hour, and I work 25 hours per week. So let's calculate my net and gross income after taxes and deductions. First, we'll calculate my gross income. That's the total amount I earn before any deductions. So $16 per hour multiplied by 25 hours per week gives us $400 a week. That's my weekly gross income.
That makes sense so far.
Now, let's consider the deductions. We'll start with federal taxes. The federal tax rate can vary based on different factors, such as income level and filing status. For simplicity, let's assume a federal tax rate of 15%. So 15% of $400 is $60. That's the amount I'll need to set aside for federal taxes.
What about state taxes?
Well, Elijah, state taxes can vary depending on where you live. Let's assume a state tax rate of 5% for our calculation. 5% of $400 is $20. That's the amount I'll need to allocate for state taxes.
Wow, the government sure takes a lot of money. Is there anything else?
Yes, Parker, there's also FICA deductions, which include Social Security and Medicare contributions. The current FICA rate is 7.65%. 7.65% of $400 is $30.60. That's the amount that will be deducted from my FICA contributions.
So what's your net income after all these deductions?
Great question, Elijah. Now, let's calculate my net income. We subtract the total deductions from my gross income. After deducting $60, $20, $30, 60 cents, my net income is $289.40.
So, your net income is the amount you actually receive in your paycheck, right?
Exactly, Parker. That $289.40 is the actual amount I take home after all the deductions.
This breakdown really helps us understand how our paychecks are calculated and how taxes play a role. Thanks, Rye.
You're welcome, Elijah. It's essential to know where our money goes and how taxes impact our earnings.
How does the government know who has to pay income taxes?
Well, there you have it, young money masters. In today's episode, Mastering Your Paycheck, Understanding Taxes and Financial Responsibility, we learned all about income and tax deductions. Join me, Elijah, and Parker for part 2. When we answer Parker's question, how does the IRS know who has to pay taxes and how much they have to pay or are refunded? Well, I'm off to work. Until next time, this is Rye signing off.